So if your hearing aids ever get unpaired to your TV connector device, what you want to do is put both of the hearing aids in your charger, take it out, connect your TV device to a power source. In this case, I am using a USB, but you can use a wall plug if you want to. So now that it's plugged in and the hearing aids are out of the charger, it puts it in pairing mode for 2 minutes and it should connect to it automatically. If not, you click that blue button or the chain link icon and you'll hear a bleep in both of the hearing aids and it should be connected and ready to be streamed. Once your TV's on connected, it should turn green.